What's up, Yolk fam? You're watching Yolk Boys, and today we're doing Gordon Ramsay's scrambled eggs. The Brits claim that they're silky, soft, and low-key life-changing. I don't know if that's true. Let's get into it. Now, to make this recipe, you're gonna need 6 eggs, a cold chunk of butter, some salt and pepper, a spoonful of creme fraiche, or sour cream if you're a normal American, and some chopped chives, and that's it. So Gordon says you just want to crack these eggs straight into your cold pan or a little pot like I have here, and you just want to add that cold butter in there. You're not going to pre-mix this at all. You just got to trust the process. So medium-high heat, he says. We're going to put it on this burner here and then just start stirring nonstop with this rubber spatula. You're going to take it off the heat every 15 to 20 seconds. You just want to make sure this doesn't overcook. And I know it takes a minute, but he claims it's worth it. So just vibe with it. Stir, lift, repeat. I can just hear Gordon in my ear right now. Stir those eggs like a fucking man, you little sissy. You can see they're starting to set up a little bit. All right, so when these look about 80% done, just like this, still a little bit runny, you're gonna go over the knob of that creme fraiche, or I'm using sour cream. Once you've got those off the heat and that creme fraiche dumped in there and they look nice and done almost, a little bit on the runny side like Gordon likes them, it's time to hit them with that salt and pepper. And Gordon likes a little bit of chives, and I'm using fresh out of the jar. Now it's just time to serve this up on some toast. You can do it with a nice toasted sourdough or just use a regular piece of toast like I'm doing today. This isn't diner style eggs. These are soft, rich, fluffy, and a little fancy. And this looks delicious. There you have it, ladies and gentlemen, the famous Gordon Ramsay scrambled eggs. I can hear him yelling at me already for screwing something up on this, but I gotta say they look really good, so without further ado, yolks up. Creamy. They're almost like melt in your mouth, fluffy, creamy, like really good flavor to them, nice and creamy, way different than normal scrambled eggs that I'm used to, that I grew up on. I'm gonna give these a 7.9 out of 10. So yeah guys, there's your review. Thank you Gordon Ramsay for the recipe, and thank you Mace for liking all my videos and dropping comments down there. And if you're not Mace, go ahead and drop a comment and hit that like button, and subscribe for some more excellent content. And stay yolky.